This monkey is urinating. But he's not just relieving himself. He's sending a message. And he isn't blushing because he's been caught in the act. His red face is also a means of communication. He's a bald wakari, a monkey that lives in the Amazon. He does a little jig before the bodily function, which sends an important message every time he takes a toilet break. By peeing higher up the branch and shaking his legs, he's telling the other monkey that he is dominant. When you can't speak, your body becomes your voice.
Lunging at 20 miles an hour, they collide with 800 pounds of force. Double-layered skulls reinforced with heavy-boned struts and shock-absorbing air pockets protect the brain from the massive collisions. The endless fight is taking its toll on the old ram, but he refuses to give in. One final blow, and the king is brought to his knees. His reign over, he may never mate again. The gents have got to puff themselves up and duke it out. Defeat and victory. This lady's picked her man. But the other suitors can't bear it. Jealousy and outrage reignite. But the fight is interrupted by a larger threat.